Needles discovered throughout areas of La Crosse have been a growing problem for years, and now 2 new needle drop-off boxes are installed to help address this problem. News 8's Eric Jacobson heard from city leaders today. He now joins us with more.
Martha, for several months now, the Crosse County Health Department, along with several other agencies, have been trying to install needle drop-off boxes in the most needed areas in La Crosse. With the boxes now installed, one group in particular is hopeful the move will allow them to continue doing their main job.
We see these in our parks, on our sidewalks, on our boulevards.
The La Crosse Fire Department has been in charge of picking up needles since 2014.
In 2015, we had about 214 responses for needle pickups, and in 2016, the number almost doubled to 401.
But the fire department says those responses take away from their primary job.
It ties up that resource, takes them away from other things we may be doing, whether it's public safety inspections, whether it's training.
That's why the La Crosse County Health Department have now installed 2 needle boxes, one by the Great River Boat Landing on the north side and one in the King Street alley near downtown.
For all purposes, we wanted to have a safe place for our residents to dispose of their needles and sharps.
Each box is specifically built to allow safe disposal, all while keeping those who are looking for needles out.
You'll notice that the box is very heavy duty. The mechanism for which the box opens with has, similar to a post office box, has a doorway entry that doesn't allow for a hand to go down into the box.
Officials with the fire department say they are optimistic the boxes will make a difference.
We hope to start tracking our data from this point forward, where we've got our boxes now. We hope to see our number of responses decrease, obviously.
The health department says the boxes aren't about enabling drug users. Instead, it's about keeping the community safe.
No matter where the needle is coming from, what we're using it for, they're there. And we need to recognize that those needles are present, and we want them to be disposed of in these boxes and not in our streets and in our parks.
Now, the AIDS Resource Center of Wisconsin, which runs a needle exchange program in La Crosse to prevent the spread of diseases like HIV and hepatitis C, released a statement to News 8 reading in part, city and county officials should be commended for taking the initiative to address this need in the community, and ARCW has been honored to be invited to work with the offices of the La Crosse mayor, as well as the leaders of the police, fire, public works, and parks departments and the La Crosse County Health Department.
Thanks a lot, Eric. And county officials say if these drop-off boxes are popular, they will consider adding more of them in other parts of La Crosse.